Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a new product and to be reviewed and will be launched on September 26, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's called IM Holy Grail. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's take a look about in the sales page. As the headline is the world's first in while traffic app get used unlimited traffic by legally hijacking others' content in 60-second flat. Unlimited free super target traffic, no content creation, 450 per day and no pay X. Unlimited free traffic and sales in 90 seconds hijacks others' content to drive traffic and also force redirect them to your affiliate offer page. 4 different traffic sources included Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Reddit in one app. No content creation, no manual work, 100% automated traffic. You can generate 4 times traffic with only one simple click. Send traffic to any affiliate link, newbie friendly, and no technical skill needed. 30 days money back guarantee. You can log in this launch. If you after launch, you will $105 per month, but you will get it for lifetime license for just $17 only. So let's take a look. This is also a show you some income proof and also it is also a very simple step. Step 1, this is purchase this product. Step 2, select which content you want to hijack. Step 3, enjoy the buyer traffic and sales in 60 seconds. It is pretty simple and very easy. It's also included. I also show you what they also have some exclusive bonus in the end of the sales page. Let's take a look what they have offered to you. And this is also have some exclusive bonus. I remember it is also have 4 exclusive bonus they offer to you if you just simply buy the front end. This is very pretty simple. They have all this is 5 fast action bonus. Bonus number 1 is the affiliate ESY is a tool and training is worth $1,200. Bonus number 2 is the Facebook hot contact sticker is worth $900. Bonus number 3 is Facebook cash bundle is worth $1,100. Bonus number this is my I think this bonus number 4 is big traffic fire sale is worth $1,100. And the final bonus is advanced Twitter marketing is worth $800. It's also offered about 30-day money guarantee. In order to help you more, I also have some exclusive bonus. If you are interested in this product, please stay with me. I also include in some exclusive bonus for you. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus. And in the description below, the first link is my bonus page, and the second link is you and also have training video training course which teach you how to make money with affiliate marketing. The third link is a free membership that you will when you grab this membership and you simply give away and also you will get paid. This is pretty simple and easy. So let's take a look at what I have some exclusive bonus for you. So let's take a look what is IM Holy Grail all about. Is you need viral traffic. You will have free traffic in one click. This is Autopilot. Redirection. You will have exit time control and high click-through rate header. You can hijack others people's content. You will have social media handle integration. This is also RSS automation and also includes training and tutorial. This is also have a $70, but you have a downsell have $37. When you scroll down when you exit, and you will have a special and offer. So this is also I have included a demo video inside my bonus page. This is also to walk you through everything and inside the member area how to set it up. So let's take a look at what I have exclusive bonus for you to help you more. Bonus number 1 is the Facebook domination secrets. Grow your business and also teach you how to attract high-paying clients using your Facebook profile. Bonus number 2 is one-click fan inviters. This is a Google Chrome extension. This allows you to mass invite all Facebook users who ever like your post and also like your page. This is also to build your Facebook fan page fans. Facebook this is, the first bonus is the Facebook webinar deluxe. This is our WordPress plugin. Is if you have a WordPress, this is very simple. You just plug in, and that is allow you to collect lists inside your WordPress website, export them in one click, and also automatically list and opt in to your favorite auto-response service. Bonus number 4 is a free guide. If you want to learn how to target your market and your choice of clients, you can use this guide for your Facebook ads. This is also a very simple guide to help you how to set up your Facebook ad. Bonus number 5 is also another free plugin, how to get viral traffic to your website fast. Other than you build your site and your I highly recommend you should build your WordPress website. And if you don't know how to do that, you can search Google and YouTube and a ton of videos to teach you step by step how to build a website from scratch. Bonus number 6 you have another premium problem and how to create stunning video review pages and manage your affiliate bonus all inside your WordPress website. As I use a commission ruler, and this is also affordable. It's very low cost. If you don't want to spend extra money in this web software, you can use this premium plugin to inside your WordPress website. Bonus number 7 is a 30-day content marketing strategy. It is how to grow your brand in 30-day content marketing. Content is king. How to do this in 30 days. This video course will teach you how to do that. Bonus number 8, you will get instant access to over 99,000 PRL article. If you have a blog and no idea how to write your blog, this PRL article will teach you, will give you inspiration how to do that. But I highly recommend you can customize in your own work. If you lazy, if you don't how to do that, you can outsource this, and some freelancers to be write it for you. This is very cheap, and if you don't know how to do that, it is something like Fiverr freelancer. If you want to iWriter, and if you want some high quality high quality article, you can hire someone in Upwork, but the Upwork is very expensive. So this is all your option. Bonus number and bonus is special bonus from vendor. As I am talking to you, in the sales page. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus, even if you just when you purchase this press this blue button, and all my exclusive bonus will inside the WordPress. And the blue button, you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. When you put this blue button. And also lastly, I take a look what the upsell and the price. The upsell is also included 6 upsell. Upsell number 1 is unlimited everything. I think it is also have fun and it is limited to some researcher or limited of user, but limited is everything. Is $37 downsell with $27. Upsell number 2 is Autopilot traffic. I am $37 downsell with $27, and I think they will place your pixel, no matter it is on maybe Facebook or Google in their sales page, or and then they will capture the data, and then you will use retargeting retargeting app in Google or Facebook. This is very cheap and affordable. If you don't know how to do that, you can search and Google search. You choose some you will tell you how to do that. Upsell number 3 is a reseller $67 downsell with $47. This is also you will keep 100% for all this upsell for the front end and upsell 100% commission. Option number 4 is 1K per day training using the Holy Grail. It is also $37 downsell $27. How to use software to create 1K per day training. Option number 5 is still my website traffic. You will also you will also use the website to drive traffic 197 and also 147. This is up to you. And the last upsell is white label. White label is also 297 downsell 247. White label this is also you can as your owner and use or as your name as your as this is your own product and you can sell this and also you can keep 100% commission. What are the benefits? You will have unlimited free traffic, hijack other people contact to drive traffic and redirect to affiliate page. 4 different traffics is Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and web in one app. No context creations, no manual. It's 100% automated traffic. So you can take a look at the demo video and I also included 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 exclusive bonus for you and also included the vendor bonus. Before the countdown timer hit 0, you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer. All included in the Warrior Plus. The blue button will get all my exclusive bonus even if you just purchase my front end offer. And don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Bye.